a great choice today with the 2017 Nissan Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, navigation system, running boards, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, security system, compass, power windows, heated front seats, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, CD player, rear window defroster, chrome wheels. Come see the car for yourself.